Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are preparing for a stay-at-home family fun Cinco de Mayo with some super easy, delicious shrimp tacos and homemade guacamole recipes, along with some toddler fun arts and craft activities. We are starting off with our appetizer, which is guacamole. We are using 2 ripe avocados, then add chopped red onions, chopped tomatoes, some cilantro, fresh squeezed lime juice, then smash it up. Then I add my seasoning, some salt, black pepper, red cayenne pepper, and then I smash it up some more. At this point, I taste to see if I need to add more seasoning. Guacamole should be made from the heart, guys. As long as you know what ingredients to add, you can pretty much figure out how much of each item you need to make it the way you love. And just as easy as that, you have fresh homemade guacamole. While the family munches on those, we now focus on our shrimp tacos. I start by seasoning the shrimp with Old Bay, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, some red cayenne pepper, then a tablespoon of minced garlic. Over medium heat, I add butter and some olive oil, and then saute my shrimp. Now the shrimp I use is pre-cooked, but I still choose to saute to help cook in all that seasoning and flavor into the shrimp. Once you feel that your shrimp is ready, you can then start chopping up your toppings. Our toppings today will be avocado, cilantro, I used about 1/4 of a huge purple cabbage, some red onions, and also some Mexican cheese. And then I warm my flour tortillas in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. While the tortillas are warming, we prepare our sauce. I add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, juice from a lime. I also added garlic powder, which I didn't show in the video, and then a teaspoon of sriracha. Now, let me tell you, this sauce is bomb, okay? Please do not skip the sauce with your tacos. By itself, it's a little bitter, but with the tacos, it just complements the taste perfectly. I've also made it spicier by adding more sriracha and some cayenne pepper from time to time. Either way works. It still tastes amazing. And here we have all our toppings. You can chop up some tomatoes as part of your toppings as well, along with a lime. Make it your own and enjoy these yummy shrimp tacos. Now it's time to keep the little one busy with some Cinco de Mayo themed arts and craft. I set up our activities in the living room on our coffee table, so I use an old birthday tablecloth to protect the table since we will be using some messy paint. I will add the items I'm using in the description box below. We will be making some maracas and sombreros. For the maracas, you add either beans, jelly beans, or rice inside of a plastic egg. Then using 2 plastic spoons, you place the egg between the 2 and then tape them together. But be mindful while you're focusing on taping, because then this might happen. It's all about having fun and enjoying with the little ones, so no need to stress. I made sure I had Alexa playing the Toddler station so we enjoyed and could sing along. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark. Now it's time to paint the maracas. I use these acrylic easy washable paint. They are super easy to clean up and wash off clothes and can easily be wiped off if they get on any surface. While the maracas dry, I start with a sombrero. Using paper plate and a paper cup, you can glue them together with good old Elmer's glue or a glue gun. Once it dries, then you can start painting and decorating.
Did you ever see a dragon flying away down by the train? Down by the when I see me shout, tip me over and pour me out.
20 minutes later.
Was left to finish the project all by my lonesome. But nevertheless, we still enjoy the maracas and his sombrero. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye guys.